All right, page 65. I need the talking to stop, please. You can't focus if you're talking or making noises. Bless you. All right, today we're going to be using a number line again, and we're counting on. Remember when we counted on for addition, right? We started at the number and we went up the number line, right? Right? Okay, y'all, put your number lines down, put your pencils down, focus on me. I need all eyeballs on me. With addition, we went up the number line, right? Right? Okay? Now, we're still kind of going to go up the number line, but we can also go down the number line. Okay? So there's two different ways that we're going to do this. So you need to really make sure you pay attention. All right? Look at our example on page 65. Look at the example on page 65. Sorry, turn around. The example. Malachi, sit up so you can read. All right. Jen rides her bike 13 blocks. Darla rides her bike 7 blocks. How many more blocks does Jen ride than Darla? Okay, so if we took just that and we made an equation, okay, it would be 13 minus 7, right? We're trying to find, this is Jen, this is Darla. Is it Darla, right? Is that what it said? Yeah, Darla. I think that's Darla. Alright, so we're trying to find out how much more Jen rode than Darla, right? We could do this in our head, or we could use a number line, okay? So, look at your number line. There's two ways that we can do this. Okay? Alright. One way that we can do it is, I'm going to do it in purple. Okay? One way that we can do it, we can put our finger on 13. Okay? Put your finger on 13. Put your finger on 13. Okay? Now, we're going to go down the number line. Okay? So, how many loops are we going to make? How many jumps? We're going to make 7, okay? So, put your finger on 13 and let's jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number did we land on? 6. So, 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay? Or, the other way that they said that we can do it, I'll do in green, okay, is, let me make sure I'm telling you right. Yep. Is, you're going to put your finger on 7, okay, I'll do it up here, put your finger on 7, and let's go up to 13, okay, you ready? Start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many times did we move that way? 6. So either way, we got a 6, right? Yes? So there's two ways. Remember, there's always more than one way to find an answer. Or, if we didn't have a number line, let's say we had just 13 minus 7, what would we do?
Count down in our head.
Well, you had it right the first time. We would put what in our head? 7. Would we count up to 13 or 13 fingers? Up to 13. So let's do it that way to check our work. 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Alright, let's look at number 1. 12 minus 8. Okay? 12 minus 8. So, since we have different ways to find it, which way are we going to do it? Somebody raise your hand and tell me, which way are we going to do it? Chandler, which way? Which way are we going to do it? 12 minus 8. Where are we going to put our finger? Okay, so he said put it on the 12. Okay, so if we put it on the 12, okay, which way are we going to go? We're going to go down. How many times are we going to go down? 8. So let's do it. You can do it on your paper right there in your book. Not on your yellow one, in your book. Put your pencil on 12. Okay, let's see. Start hopping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number do we land on? 4. Okay? So 12 minus 8 is 4. Or, let's do this. For that hop that you just did, right? You started on 12 and hop down. Put an arrow at that end so you can see that we went that way. Okay? Now we're going to try it the other way. So where are we going to put our finger? Or our pencil? Where are we going to put our pencil? What? No. 12 minus 8. Where are we going to put our pencil, Brock?
On the 8.
Let's put it on the 8. So I'm going to do mine up top so we can see. Okay? Now, are we going to go down the number line or up the number line? Up into what number?
12.
12. So, put your pencil on 8 and let's hop. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Put an arrow right there so we can show that we went that way. Either way, what number did we land on? 4. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Fill that in. 4. Okay. The other way we could do it is what? If we didn't have the number line, what else could we do? Braden. From what number?
8.
Okay, so let's try it. Put 8 in your head. Let's go.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So what answer did we get? 4. So you now have 3 ways to find answers. Any questions? Okay, turn to page 66. Turn to page 66. Just one page.